Guys, today I'm gonna show you a Jeep here. It's leaking antifreeze, as you can see. It's been dripping. So the antifreeze keeps going down. So if your antifreeze keeps going down, you do need to look at to see where it's coming down from. So the bottle over here, it keeps going down. So the customer keeps putting antifreeze daily. The customer will put up to here, it'll go down, and it evens out. This is where it's supposed to be at, but if you put it from there, it'll go down within a couple hours. So whenever it leaks, you do need, if it keeps going down, you do need to check a few things. So such as water pump. This is a water pump right here. All right, and if you see green stuff, the color of the antifreeze, just like that right there, it's a leak. But if you come a little bit this way, you see that? And if you come a little bit this way and you start to see smoke, be careful, it's hot, okay? So small cracks, it's a small crack right here, and there's a few cracks on this radiator right in there. So you need to check everywhere. There's even cracks on this side. So that's it. Small little video here for you guys so you can see where antifreeze is leaking from. So if your bottle keeps going down, you do need to check. Sometimes there's nothing bad in the component. Sometimes your pipes will leak right by the clamp. They'll leak underneath here, so you just put your finger down here and just do that. You will see a small leak. Be careful you don't hurt yourself. And other than that, you could go underneath the car and see if there's anything leaking. Sometimes the heater core inside will leak. There's pipes going inside right there. So those are a few things that you need to check if your antifreeze keeps going down. So in this vehicle, I am going to be replacing a radiator, and if you guys need a video on how to replace a radiator, and this is a 2007 Jeep Liberty 3.7, and if you need to know how to replace a radiator, it's very simple. You need to dismantle everything. The front grill has to come over here. This bracket has to come over here. So you got bolt here. This one you don't touch. This one you take off. And on this side, you got this air duct went here, but you have a pipe here, and then you have these clamps. They won't usually come off, but you might have to work with that a little bit, and you could just move this guy out of the way. But anyways, if you need to break the clamps, sometimes you have to. What can you do? But the grill comes off, and then we have a few bolts in the front, a couple of pipes, radiator, a fan connector, and then we have a couple of bolts. You'll see me do this complete job. Anyways, let's begin this job. But when it's hot, you want to be careful. You don't want to hurt yourself. You don't want to burn yourself. So this is a radiator job coming up, so stay tuned for my next video.